I'm Reema from GuruNanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about what happens if you don't brush for 30 days. Brushing your teeth might feel like a routine chore, but skipping it can lead to more than just bed breath. If you stop brushing for 30 days, your mouth undergoes a series of damaging and irreversible changes, some of which go far beyond your teeth and affect your overall health. Days 1 to 5. The very first thing that happens when you stop brushing is plaque formation. Plaque is a soft sticky film of bacteria that begins forming within hours of your last brush. These bacteria feed on sugars and carbohydrates in the food you eat, producing acids that begin to erode the enamel. Then you will notice bed breath, sticky or fuzzy feeling on your teeth, mild irritation in your gums. By the second week, things get worse. That soft plaque starts to harden into tartar, especially near your gum line. Your gums may start bleeding when you eat or brush, if you bother brushing at all. This is early stage gingivitis, that is the beginning of gum disease. You might also start noticing sensitivity and a constant bad taste in your mouth. So, by third and fourth week, the bacteria are not just sitting on your teeth, they are invading the spaces between your teeth and gums. This can cause deeper infections, pain, and eventually lead to periodontitis, which means bone and tooth loss over time. Cavities begin to form as acids eat through enamel and reach the softer dentin layer underneath. Without brushing, these cavities grow unchecked. Then you may experience toothaches or sensitivity, pus-filled abscesses, loosening teeth, difficulty chewing. Not brushing your teeth for 30 days does not just result in dirty teeth. It kickstarts a cascade of oral and systemic health problems. What begins as harmless plaque buildup can lead to infections, decay, gum disease, tooth loss, and even impact your heart and brain health. The good news is that all of this is 100% preventable. Brush twice daily, floss once a day, rinse with a mouthwash, visit your dentist every 6 months. Your mouth is a gateway to your body. Caring for your teeth is not cosmetic, it is critical. Neglecting brushing for even a few days can cause damage, but 30 days of complete neglect can push you into danger zone. A clean mouth is more than just a fresh smile. It is a sign of total body wellness. Thank you.